Hello and welcome to another update video on Doge. Well, the Doge chart has done what it needed to do yesterday. If you watched the last video, then you know that we were watching here for a 5-wave pattern to the upside to form. And I wasn't quite happy with yesterday's swing high as already the top of the wave 5, because it would have been a very, very weak wave 5. So we wanted it to get another high, which it did. Hey, super. Okay, so we now have a 5-wave move up. Now, careful. This does not guarantee a pullback. This is quite a strong move to the upside. So I will not rule out that we're already in a much more direct move to the upside, yeah, which I will share you in a minute on the larger time frame. I talked about that, but explained to you as well that we can still watch for a wave 2 pullback for now. But now this 5th wave is getting extended. So if we get another break higher, then it becomes more and more probable that we are in a direct breakout and we will not see another wave 2 pullback, okay? So let me show you that on the larger time frame for Doge, long-term chart, bigger picture, because for now we are still tracking this, right? Wave 1, wave 2, and so on. But remember that the target for this C wave to the upside, which likely started down there in June, is between 28.7 cents and 44 cents, sort of. I don't actually need that higher level there. So, and at some point this wave 1 gets so long that it's not likely a wave 1 anymore, right? It is already then likely, we're already likely in the 3rd wave. And so at some point I will stop watching for a wave 2 pullback, which would be the case if we get a decisive break above today's high. But important is that we are approaching this target zone, and 28.7 cents is going to be a first strong resistance level. It's not only Fibonacci resistance, it is also where we had previous swing highs here from February, basically. So that's at 28.7 cents. Definitely worth considering this as a strong resistance level, because the 100% extension is anyway always a key level to watch. Always, especially when we're dealing with ABC structures. So that's all currently playing out. That's all going according to plan. There has been no, let's say, break of support or anything. So even yesterday, there was even a small setup, right? I mean, at least I shared with you a micro support area to which the price reacted very well. And we had a bounce from there. And so this wave 5 is now full. Yeah, remember, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So that's how I'm tracking this at the moment. For now, it's been working. But it's a very delicate structure. So I can remove this support area from yesterday. And we're basically where wave 5 of 1 could now top. It could have topped yesterday already, but as I said, it would have been a very, very weak wave 5. So what I've done is I've added this micro support area. It's just really first micro support. Again, it's weak support. But the weak support areas have been holding quite well over the last few days. But still, it's weak support, which means we expect it to break at some point. And then if it does, then the focus will shift to this support area here between 16 cents and 20.3 cents. Because this would be support for wave 2. Now, in a bullish mode, when we're really in bullish mode, then wave 2s can be quite weak, can be quite shallow. But that's what I'm watching. So you've got your upper support area, lower support. I can remove those previous levels. We don't need them anymore. And you've got the next resistances at 25.9 cents and around about 28 cents anyway. That's going to be important there. 28 cent level here, that's on the smaller time frame, but that's also here a key level on the larger time frame, right? So it, resistance meets at 28 cents. That's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X. We're building a community here as well, so check it out. Feel free to share your charts here, ask questions. I'll be there today and answer some of your questions or comment as well. And see you over there. I've linked it in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.